Join me as I take on the challenge of surviving 100 days in hardcore Minecraft, while fending off an outbreak of evolved parasites and battling the ultimate parasite boss. Playing 100 days in hardcore Minecraft with evolved parasites is a whole new level of survival gameplay. The constant threat of death is always there, but with parasites, you've got an added layer of complexity that requires a completely different approach to survival. The video's main challenge is surviving the evolving parasites in the game, which requires resource finding, base building, and adapting to a constantly changing environment where parasites can evolve and become more dangerous. Over time, parasites become stronger and faster, making survival harder. My priority is to anticipate their progress, gather resources, build a base, and combat evolving parasites. But it's not just about survival, it's about outsmarting the parasites. I'll need to observe their behavior, track their movements, and exploit their weaknesses to stay alive. And as the parasites evolve, I'll need to adapt my strategies to counter their new abilities. Survival is just the beginning. The ultimate goal is to defeat the parasite boss that emerges at the end of the 100 days. This behemoth is the culmination of all the parasites' evolution, and taking it down will require every trick in the book. To enhance survival, establish a robust base with strong defenses, a consistent food supply, and ample resources. Strategize against parasites with potions, enchantments, and cunning tactics. As parasites evolve, I'll adjust my strategy and utilize lava, traps, or elaborate defenses, needing creativity and resourcefulness for survival. But even with the best strategies, there's always a chance of failure. One misstep, one miscalculation, and it's game over. That's what makes this challenge so thrilling. It's not just about winning, but about the journey, the struggle, and the constant threat of defeat. The intensity of this challenge occurred when I faced a massive cave parasite horde. Crawling on walls and floor, I needed to act fast for survival. Utilizing tricks like lava flows and TNT traps, I cleared the horde and survived. But that was just a taste of what was to come. The real challenge was yet to come, the parasite boss. This monstrosity was unlike anything I'd ever seen before. It was huge, fast, and had abilities that made it nearly unstoppable. I knew I had to be at the top of my game if I wanted to take it down. The battle was intense, but I won. Developing resourcefulness, adaptability, and creativity during odds challenge. Even dark times inspire progress. Recalling my 100-day journey, I realize it's an epic challenge with constant parasites and a vital parasite boss fight. A memorable adventure. Guys, have you ever played Minecraft with evolved parasites? Share your strategies in the comments. If you want more exciting challenges, check out my other videos. Thanks, and catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.